Hello, friends. Welcome back to Miss Santiago's Spanish class, episode 2. In the last class, we learned hola, which means hello, and ¿cómo te llamas?, which means what is your name? So, Miss Santiago, we're all ready to learn more.
Thank you, PG. Let's say them together. Hola. Hola. Hola.
Once again, that means hello. And
¿Cómo te llamas?
that means what is your name? And now, let's keep learning.
Class, now let's learn how to answer when someone asks you your name. Me llamo.
Did you hear that? That means my name is,
Followed by your name. Like this. Me llamo Natalie.
wow, Natalie?
Yes, PG. Me llamo Natalie Santiago. Now, PG, you try it.
Okay. Me llamo. PG.
Yes, great job, PG. Now you try it, class. When I ask you, ¿Cómo te llamas?, you answer, Me llamo. And then your name. Like this. Me llamo Natalie.
Me llamo. PG. Now practice with your family and parents. Please like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow. See you in the next episode.